Hello P.1, Teacher Val welcomes you back on your IP English time. Today is Friday. And what does it mean? This is our last online lesson in this term. Let's get started. We are going to review numbers today. Okay, let's start with the numbers. I will show you the picture. So what is it? Can you guess? This is a mouse, right? And how many mouses can you see? Only one. Yes, good job. So let's have a look at this symbol. This is number 1. And do you remember how to write the number? 1, mouse. Let's spell it together. O-N-E. Let's have a look at the picture. So what are these? These are apples. Good job. And let's count together how many apples do we have? 1 and 2. 2 apples. Good job. Okay, let's continue. Number 3 is going to be the next. Let's check it together. So we can see trees. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's true. There are 3 trees. These are birds. That's true. So, and what about number of the birds? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can see 4 birds. Good job. Okay, let's continue. These are books. Okay, and let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's true. We can find 5 books. There are many cats. And can you tell me how many cats can you find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 cats. So now I want to show you clouds. And how do you think? How many clouds are on the picture? Try to guess. We know that after number 6 goes number 7. Yes, so there are 7 clouds. That's true. Good job. And can you recognize what are these? So we use it to open and close our door. Keys. That's right. And you can see that there are 8 keys. These are dogs. Right. And how many dogs? 9 dogs. That's true. We know it because after number 8 goes number 9. There are so many chickens. Good. There are so many chickens. Yes. And now we have to check how many chickens do we see. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last number is 10. Okay, 10 chickens are on the picture. Yes. Okay, I can see rulers. So it means that we have to check how many rulers are on the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let's have a look at the word 11. Rulers. These are color pencils. How many color pencils do we have? Do you remember our last number? Number 12. Yes, sure. So we have 12 pencils. But for our next part of the lesson, I want to introduce you a new topic about math problems. So I will explain what is math problem. But first, we need to learn about math symbols. So do you know what is this? Plus. Can you repeat? Plus. This is minus. Can you repeat? Minus. Equals. Can you repeat? Equals. Fine. So let's read the words one more time and repeat. Plus, minus, equals. Okay. And now let's practice. I want to show you the math problem. So as you can see, 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, P1, let's continue. And now I want to spell the words. So do you remember how to spell 1? O-N-E, 1. Then you have a math symbol. So do you remember the name for this? Plus. Very good. Then you have number 1 again. Let's write 1. O-N-E. After, you have this symbol. And do you remember the name for this symbol? Equals. That's right. And then we have number 2. And how to spell it? T-W-O. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, amazing. Let's see another example. Now you can find 3 apples. Now we have 3 apples minus 2 apples. Then you can see the symbol equals 1 apple. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, let's spell it. 3, T-H-R-E-E. Then do you remember the name for this? Minus, right. M-I-N-U-S. Then you have number 2. So how to spell number 2? T-W-O. Good. Then let's have a look at this symbol. So can you tell me what is this? Equals. Good job. E-Q-U-A-L-S. And then we have number 1. And we remember how to spell it. O-N-E. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So let's have a look one more time. Plus, minus, equals. Let's practice our new topic. Let's do an activity together. So I want to show you a math problem. Let's read the words. 2 plus 8 equals beep. Okay, let's have a look. 2 plus 8 equals, how do you think? How much? 10. Yes. And then we have to find the word. There are 4 answers. Let's have a look. 8, 10, 11, and 9. So you can see the symbol of the number 10. But do you remember how to spell it? So what do you want to choose? 8, 10, 11, or 9? 10. Yes, very good. T-E-N. That's correct. Let's do another problem. 12 minus 3 equals beep. Let's try to solve this math problem. Okay, I will show you some symbols. 12 minus 3 equals beep. So can you solve this math problem? How much? 12 minus 3. 9. Yes, good job. So we know that 12 minus 3 equals 9. And then I want you to find the word. So we have to write an answer. Now we have 3 words, 8, 11, and 9. Can you find the word for the number 9? Yes, it's over there. Let's choose it. 9, 12 minus 3 equals 9. N-I-N-E. Good job, P.1. Let's continue. Let's do some more examples. 10 minus 2 equals beep. So how do you think? Let's have a look. 8. That's correct. 10 minus 2 equals 8. And now, as you can see, we have only 2 words, 8 and 11. If you can look at this symbol, you can recognize that this is number 8. And do you remember how to spell the word 8? Yes, that's correct. If we want to spell the word 8, we should start with the letter E, I, G, H, and T. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay, good. And what about this? Let's try to solve this math problem. 6 plus 5 equals, beep. I don't know. I need your help. Okay, let's try to count. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Yes, this is number 11. So now we have to choose our last word, 11. So this is a symbol of the number 11, and this is the word. Let's spell it. E-L-E-V-E-N. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Good job, P.1. And I have a quiz for you. I want you to look at the pictures. Try to count birds. So how many birds do you see on this picture? And how many birds do you see on another picture? So then you have to write the number of the birds of the first picture is here. Then you have math symbol minus. Then you have to write the number of the birds from the second picture equals beep. And let's try to count. And then write your answer in this orange box. So yellow boxes are for birds from first picture and second picture. And the orange box is for your answer. Comment on Facebook and I will check your answers. Thank you so much for the lesson, P1. See you soon. Have nice holidays. Bye-bye.